And we are recording. It is 10:40. Today is September 30th, Wednesday, 2020. Welcome to this Fat Cat Productions. My name is Louis. Today I'm going to go through a walkthrough of LegalZoom, specifically, how to create your business. So, let's get into it. So, LegalZoom is the service that I use recently for my LLC, and I've also used LegalZoom in the past for my nonprofit. So it's a quick, easy service, but they are very tricky because they go through and they really try to trick you in paying more money than you really need. So this is the quick and easy hack that I hope to give everyone in creating a small business. So let's get into it. LLC corporation, doing business as, all that is good stuff. Definitely, you're gonna need to get more resources on that. I started a nonprofit because I wasn't worried about any liabilities. I was looking to get some funds through my nonprofit. I did in my nonprofit a couple years ago. Right now, I started an LLC because I wanted the liability protection. So that was what I wanted. You could start a corporation. You could do honestly, most people starting an online business, sole proprietorship is probably all you need. If you don't have assets that you're worried about, if you don't have assets, if you don't have sales, if there's no possibility that anyone will go after you with any legal action, sole proprietorship is probably good for you, especially if you have an online business, if you're an aspiring YouTuber, if you do some small online sales, e-commerce, if you're a consultant, you do some online coaching, things like that. Sole proprietorship is probably good for you, but you know I'm looking at my EIN. So for me, I have assets to protect, and I just want to be 100% safe and covered. So let's go with LLC. Start your business with confidence. What do you want to call your LLC? So you have one chance. Keep in mind, you have one chance on what you want to call your company. So let's say I am going to register Fat Cat Productions, check if it's available. It is. In what state would you like to form Fat Cat Productions? I am here in California. So let's see if that works. It pops up, click California. You see, I'm just doing this all on my phone, so it is completely easy. I have to change the orientation. This is kind of a bug. Again, LegalZoom, I really like LegalZoom a lot because it is fairly easy, straightforward, but you just have to be a little bit careful in what you want to do. Yay! My Fat Cat Productions is available. So feel free to put in your email and phone number. It helps because it saves this name, saves your place. Let's get your LLC started. Let's say, when do you want to launch? This, I don't know if it really matters, but let's just say it launches soon. So it gives you some basic information. What I found is most of this information, everyone has talked about it online. It's been researched to death on this. Creating an LLC is not a super scary thing to do. It took me about 2 days of research to figure out what it is I want to do. Fat Cat Productions is, for the sake of this, let's say it is my first LLC. What will I do? So my LLC for productions is video production, because productions, it's gonna be a lot of YouTubes and TikTok videos. No employees, my first year. And here, this is very, very important. Registered agent. We'll talk about that later, but they're gonna call it essential services. Don't worry, vast majority of people will not need any registered service, registered agent. All of these are just extra fees. My advice on registered agent is find someone that you trust, either your if you have your parents is an ideal one, a trusted auntie or uncle, even your mentor. Let's say you have a mentor for your business. Now it's all logistics. Your registered agent, it could be yourself, but keep in mind your registered agent under your LLC will receive official documentation. Either from the state or from the court. So in the worst case scenario that someone wants to sue you, they want to send you a cease and desist letter. You committed some copyright infringement. That's the situation. Here, you're gonna have to do some research, because one, the EIN is super easy. You don't need LegalZoom to do that. That is a super expensive add-on. Operating agreement, there are templates online. Lots of lawyers provide this for free. So I say no thanks. I'll provide my own documents. I'm just showing you the basic run through on LegalZoom. Yes, okay, business services, they're gonna sell you on this and this and this. No thanks. Total compliance, don't worry about it. No thanks. And your LLC package, read the description. It's all about timing. So I'm gonna go with the economy package. So the sooner you create, sooner you go with it. Here is a nice little offer. Bank of America, say yes. Have Bank of America contact you for banking services. And there we go. We have just already completed a very quick run through on getting to this page. If you see, because you said no thanks to all these other add-ons, these are very expensive add-ons that honestly I really doubt anyone needs. Please look into your own special situation. If you have any questions at all while filling this out, just take a pause, do a quick search. Feel free to comment and ask on my YouTube channel. To this video, hey, send me an email. I'm gonna have my email, and I'm gonna have my phone number in the back. I'm happy to try to give you any answers that I have. But here is the $149 that is due. And actually, if I still remember, I think there might be some cool promo codes that might still work. Let's see if it's hanger. Nope. Let's try hanger. Maybe it's gone, but when I did it, these codes were valid. Okay, so I apologize. I don't have that code. Maybe it's already expired. But that's it. That's the video. I just did a quick walkthrough on creating your LLC. I'm not going to continue to check out, but because then it's going to ask you for your registered agent's address and your address as well. So again, my suggestion is you register in the state that you live in, and follow the instructions. LegalZoom is super easy, and look, it's only $149. Okay, Fat Cat Productions, Louis Wong. I'm gonna sign off. I hope everyone have a good one, and good luck on starting your small business. Please like and subscribe to this comment if you found it helpful, or even if you haven't found it helpful. Liking and subscribing to my YouTube channel would really help me out. I have a goal of reaching 100 subscribers by the end of my 30 days. So thank you everyone for watching. Stay safe and good luck on your business. Signing off. 3, 2, 1.